Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this quick 5-minute seated stretch. So if you are very short on time and you want to get a little bit of a stretch through the body, this is the video for you. Let's not waste any time, grab your mat and let's begin. Okay, so let's begin by meeting on our mats and just coming into easy pose. So a nice comfortable cross-legged position if that's good for you. If cross-legged is not good for you, then take any other position that feels good. But just focus on sitting up nice and tall through the spine, relaxing the shoulders and reaching the crown of the head up to the sky. And then as we inhale, we're going to reach the hands all the way up to the sky, bring the palms together, and exhale, hands through heart center. And again, take a nice big inhale to sweep those hands up nice and high. Exhale, hands through center. And then final time, inhale to reach it all the way up, look up in between the fingers. And exhale, hands come down through center. Nice. From here, go ahead and take the left hand onto the floor and reach up and over with your right. And just hold it here. Take a second to start to feel this stretch coming in through the right hand side of the body. And if it feels quite intense, stay up on those fingertips. If we want to go a little bit lower, we might start to bend the left elbow. Take a few deep breaths here, breathing right into the side of your rib cage. And then release back up through center. Right hand comes to the floor as we reach up and over with your left. Just find this nice seated side stretch. Keep it up high or take it low, whatever feels better. And breathe deeply. And breathing right into the left hand side of your rib cage. And then release, come all the way back up through center. Let those hands release onto the knees and just take a few big rolls through the shoulders just to loosen up the upper body, loosen up the upper back. And then come back to stillness. From here, go ahead and take the chin in towards the chest and just start to take some little half neck circles here. Rocking the head gently from side to side. If it works for you, you might go ahead and take the head all the way around, so making some big circles. And if you are making full circles at some point, switch directions and just make sure to take a few in the other way. And then eventually come back into stillness, bring the gaze forwards, and let's inhale to reach those hands up again. This time as we exhale, we find a twist. So right hand comes to the left knee, the left hand comes out behind your hip, and we start to send the gaze over that back shoulder. Keep your sit bones grounded here, keep the spine long. And then release, come through center, raise the hands up and exhale to the other side, left hand to right knee. Taking the gaze over that right shoulder. And then release back through center. And from here, just take the legs out into a wide-legged position. So the legs can be very wide or they can be just a little bit wider than your hips, whatever feels better. And you can also have the knees straight, or you can bring a nice bend through your knees. Again, just whichever feels better. But bring the fingertips onto the floor in front and just focus on lengthening your back. So lengthen the spine, feel the crown of the head reaching up to the sky. Take a nice big inhale. And then as we exhale, we start to fold forwards, but try to maintain this length through the back as we do so. And again, we might keep this high or we might take it low, just whatever is serving you at this moment. And then just find a little bit of stillness and breathe deeply. And we might find that the longer we're here and the more we relax into this, the easier this position becomes. Take one more full inhale and a full exhale. And then slowly start to lift the head, lift the shoulders, bring the hands back to center. If you want to cross the legs, we can cross the legs. And one final time, reach those hands up to the sky, bring the palms together and exhale your hands to your heart. And give yourself a little bit of thanks for stepping onto your mat today, even if it only was for a few minutes, even if you didn't feel like it. Well done you. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you like this video, please like. If you would like to see more, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.